Hi everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for joining us for this lesson. Let's learn a whole new verb tense. It's very simple, yet very useful. Le futur proche. Literally, this means the future near or the near future in English word order. If you haven't seen lesson 140, the previous lesson on the verb aller, you can find that on my channel homepage. It is the introduction to the verb aller. The futur proche uses the verb aller, so it might be helpful to you to watch that lesson first. Remember that aller is an irregular verb, which means that you basically have to memorize the forms. Only the nous and the vous forms resemble the infinitive, so it must be memorized. Let's quickly review the forms of aller. I go. Je vais. You go. Tu vas. He goes. Il va. She goes. Elle va. One goes, we go. On va. Now the plural forms, we go. Nous allons. You go, the formal you. Vous allez. They go. Ils vont. And finally, they go, referring only to a group of females. Elles vont. So here's the fun, very useful, very exciting part of the lesson. To talk about the immediate future, we do this in English by saying, I'm going to go, I'm going to eat, you're going to go, you're going to eat, he is going to go, he is going to eat. The equivalent of that in French is to use a conjugated form of aller in the present tense and an infinitive. If you haven't seen my lesson on the power of infinitives, it's lesson 139. I invite you to go back and watch that. First, we're going to review some infinitives, and then we'll get to the fun part, the application. To eat, manger. To read, lire. To sing, chanter. To work, travailler. To dance, danser. To travel, voyager. To swim, nager. Okay, now the fun and exciting part. Let's put all of this together. Remember, the formula is a conjugated form of the verb in the present tense plus an infinitive. And with that, you can begin expressing ideas in the near future with French. So if you want to say, I'm going to eat, you would simply say, Je vais manger. I'm going to read. Je vais lire. I'm going to sing. Je vais chanter. I'm going to work. Je vais travailler. I'm going to dance. Je vais danser. I'm going to travel. Je vais voyager. I'm going to swim. Je vais nager. So I hope at the moment you're seeing the potential of all this. The more infinitives you know, the more ideas you are going to be able to express. We don't just use je vais, we use the other forms of aller also to talk about the future. So let's look at some other examples. Tu vas. You go or you are going. So in this context, you are going. What are you going to do? You are going to eat. Tu vas manger. vas manger. You are going to read. Tu vas lire. Tu vas lire. You are going to sing. Tu vas chanter. Tu vas chanter. Tu vas chanter. You are going to work. Tu vas travailler. Tu vas travailler. Tu vas travailler. You are going to dance. Tu vas danser. Tu vas danser. You are going to travel. Tu vas voyager. Tu vas voyager. You are going to swim. Tu vas nager. Tu vas nager. Keep in mind that you can also ask questions with this by simply inserting the est-ce que before the statement. So if I want to ask the question, are you going to eat? I could simply say, est-ce que tu vas manger? Est-ce que tu vas manger? Are you going to read? Est-ce que tu vas lire? Est-ce que tu vas lire? Are you going to sing? Est-ce que tu vas chanter? Est-ce que tu vas chanter? Are you going to work? Est-ce que tu vas travailler? Est-ce que tu vas travailler? Are you going to dance? Est-ce que tu vas danser? Est-ce que tu vas danser? Are you going to travel? Est-ce que tu vas voyager? Est-ce que tu vas voyager? Are you going to swim? Est-ce que tu vas nager? Est-ce que tu vas nager? Hopefully at this moment you're seeing that the possibilities of what you can say, what you can express in French are just exploding if you know how to use a conjugated form of aller plus an infinitive. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. He is going. If I want to say he's going to eat, il va manger. Il va manger. He is going to read. Il va lire. Il va lire. He's going to sing. Il va chanter. He is going to work. Il va travailler. He is going to dance. Il va danser. He is going to travel. Il va voyager. He is going to swim. Il va nager. She is going. Elle va. She's going to eat. Elle va manger. She's going to read. Elle va lire. She's going to sing. Elle va chanter. She's going to work. Elle va travailler. She's going to dance. Elle va danser. She's going to travel. Elle va voyager. She's going to swim. Elle va nager. We are going. Nous allons. We are going to eat. Nous allons manger. We are going to read. Nous allons lire. We are going to sing. Nous allons chanter. We are going to work. Nous allons travailler. We are going to dance. Nous allons danser. We are going to travel. Nous allons voyager. We are going to swim. Nous allons nager. You are going. The formal you. Vous allez. You are going to eat. Vous allez manger. You are going to read. Vous allez lire. You are going to sing. Vous allez chanter. You are going to work. Vous allez travailler. You are going to dance. Vous allez danser. You are going to travel. Vous allez voyager. You are going to swim. Vous allez nager. They are going. Ils vont. Elles vont. Remember, elles vont if you are referring only to a group of females. They are going to eat. Ils vont manger. Elles vont manger. They are going to read. Ils vont lire. Elles vont lire. They are going to sing. Ils vont chanter. Elles vont chanter. They are going to work. Ils vont travailler. Elles vont travailler. They are going to dance. Ils vont danser. Elles vont danser. They are going to travel. Ils vont voyager. Elles vont voyager. They are going to swim. Ils vont nager. Elles vont nager. And of course remember that with any of these forms of aller, you can ask a question simply by inserting est-ce que in front of the statement. So if I want to say, are they going to eat? I would simply say, est-ce que ils vont manger? Are they going to sing? Est-ce que ils vont chanter? Est-ce qu'ils vont chanter? Are they going to work? Est-ce qu'ils vont travailler? So just to recap, any form, any conjugated form of aller in the present tense plus any infinitive. And that's how you form the futur proche to talk about what you are going to do or what someone else is going to do in the near future. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go on to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.